For mixing, stir the product thoroughly using a mechanical mixer for 1 to 2 minutes. Do not add any additional water or solvent to the product. Substrate preparation. The substrate must be thoroughly clean and dry, free from dust, algae, mildew, fungal, grease, and oil. Any cracks, honeycombs, water leakage area should be repaired before the waterproofing work proceeds. For application, apply the first coat to completely cover the holes, cracks, and etc. using a brush or roller. Once the first coat is torch dry, apply the second coat at the right angles to the first coat. This is the result after using Nippon Flex 200. 1 coat, 2 coats, and 3 coats.